Alright, so you want to know how to play as the so you want to know how to fight the Doise as Peppino.
Well, first things first, you need co-op enabled. You need to have co-op enabled.
And then set both of the players or to player 1. Oh god, it's too low, hold on. There we go. Now you go to the door spot type. Why the hell did I even uppercut to there?
So you need uppercut enabled.
I mean co-op. Okay. Now it doesn't really matter if you're Doise or Peppino, because you can just swap them. Anyways, if you want to fight the Doise while he's not dead, you gotta taunt 3 times. Yeah, that's basically it. That's basically it. But if you're wondering how to get co-op mode, you need to beat the final boss as the Doise. You gotta defeat the final boss as the Doise. And then after you're done defeating the boss and beating the game, you go back to the pizza face. You go back here, but then you drop down here. Now see there, I actually fell back down to the start. But if I play as the Doise, if I don't have co-op enabled and I play as the Doise and I jump down there, something different will happen. And also, just a reminder, I know I've already said this, but you need to beat the game as the Doise. Like, not 101% it, because that would take a long time, but just beat the game. Like, that's all. And then, once you're out here, you see smoke coming there. And then, we get to Peppino's house. And when you enter this door, it also co-op enabled, but since I've already enabled it, it doesn't say it, and I just enter back here. And it probably does the same for you when you enable co-op. So that's how to fight the Doise of Peppino. Yeah. Now go ahead and do it right now.